Welcome to the CertNet video tutorial series. This tutorial is a quick introduction to what's new in the CertNet Web application. The design and engineering team at TESSALink will be making changes to the web application over the next few months. Our goal is to simplify the user experience and make it easier to get your job done. Let's take a few minutes to review what's new in this version of the web app. After logging in, users navigate automatically to the home screen, which has been replaced with a new dynamic dashboard. A separate tutorial will introduce the main features of the dashboard, but one thing to note is that each user can customize their view of the data. Here at the top, we have added a quick search feature. You can quickly search for data simply by typing what you are looking for. Quick search is based on a priority system of fields, meaning it will try and match data for assets or forms using asset number, serial number, description, customer PO, order number, customer name, or location. The navigation system has been updated. The main menu is still located on the left sidebar, but it has been reorganized to group application features in a more logical order. At the top is the Home button, which, as we already discussed, takes users to the dashboard. Clicking the Search button takes users to the new search feature. Use of the new search feature is covered in a separate video. Clicking the Reports button presents a submenu that contains all of the available web reports for assets and certifications. Clicking the Apps button presents a submenu that contains core CertNet features such as audit, data management, and the process queue. Clicking the Configuration button presents a submenu that organizes all of the setup and configuration features of the software, including asset and form templates. Clicking the User button presents a submenu that allows users to modify their preferences, or users with administrative privileges to manage permissions, licensing, and branding. Finally, clicking the Help button gives users access to software downloads, customer support, and the CertNet video tutorial series, hosted on the TESSALink YouTube channel. Here at the top, the page menu has been updated to simplify navigation and labeling of the available commands. There is also a new User Profile button, which is where you can change preferences or sign out of the web application. That's it for this video tutorial. Be sure to check out other video tutorials by clicking on the Help button and selecting Video Tutorials. Go digital, go TESSALink.